Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again in cryptocurrencies. So actually the accident with the FTX was really bad thing that has happened, but actually currently I think that the results, the echo of this event still will be sounding through the markets in more extended times, because this accident actually is coming out of just simple borders of some bankruptcy, some commercial finance or something of that sort. Now it is turning to politics and corruption moment, and actually the drop of the FTX, it's already breaks or significantly hurt the confidence of the investors in the crypto market, because FTX is just not some small Lunar or something of that sort. It was in top 10 exchanges, and it's really a big branch of the companies. It's big assets. It's more than 16 billions in assets. So, and from that standpoint, I wouldn't count on a fast, sharp reversal here, because the process around FTX is just starting. And what particular could happen, what the nuances we could get, and what nuances could come on the surface, we're yet to see. So from that standpoint, I think that none of the serious investors currently considering putting the big amount of assets in the cryptocurrencies. That's the bad thing. Actually, we covered the subject now in November fundamental report on the Bitcoin market, because it's really we have something to talk about. Speaking on the shorter term, first of all, as we said, market has broken through major 20,000 area, and it is possible that November will become the bearish reversal month. That could bring the bad thing technically. So it suggests that market should or will keep going lower from that standpoint. In general, standing below the 20,000, it's already a bad thing. Another bad thing is just because market actually has no significant support areas here. So just only natural support. So first it was 20,000, now it will be 12,000 recent top here, another top, only natural levels, no fib levels anymore here. On the lower time frame, actually important thing that I see here is just the way how market dropped. So it's not just the wash and rinse or something of that sort. So when the market just dropping, grabbing stops below these important lows where it was standing for a few months, and then return right back up. This is a different story. Currently, take a look, it has dropped and stand there. So it looks bearish, and it significantly increased chances that OP should be reached, which is 11.12 even, by the way. And take a look, it also will be the previous consolidation here. So this will be another range this market will try to challenge. But first, it's probably will be retesting of the 12 even area. That's our near-term standing target. Market here is not at oversold. Trend stands bearish. So from that standpoint, here we have clearly bearish context on the weekly chart. On a daily, market has shown reaction to the 1750-18 area that we discussed last time, and then turns to the downside action. Trend stands bearish. Market is not at oversold here as well. But based on the intraday performance, it is possible that we could get a bit deeper retracement before downward action could be continuing. So market could retest, for example, these previous lows, which stand around 1840, 1850, so somewhere in this area. Why? Because on the lower time frame, if you will take a look, we have kind of the grabber type of action, bullish reversal candle, that suggests that we could get this kind of the ABCD pattern. For the bears, it actually doesn't matter. It's just because if you would like to take the short position, you anyway do nothing and see whether this pullback will happen. If it will happen, that's great. You just consider 1850, 50% resistance of the whole downside action here, retesting of this previous consolidation that we discussed, and you can see these lows around 1850, and completion of the ABCD gives us Gartley's triple to sell. If we will get it, that's great. If you have the idea for taking the short position, that will be an area that you intend to take a look at. But if you have the bullish view, or at least you would like to ride on this bullish background on the intraday charts, the only thing that you should care about is these C point lows. Until these lows are valid, this scenario is valid as well. So once market will break it down, it will tell you that this construction is over, it is destructed, and actually this suggestion easily could turn to the bearish butterfly if market will take it out of the C. So it could become the left wing, and here could become the very fast right wing with a possible downward action. So if you would like to take the long position, your invalidation point will be right there, right below the C point. And from that standpoint, you could consider on hourly chart, for example, this recent upward action, and two of the levels that you think about taking the position. So first is 1640, next is approximately 1620. So these two levels you could keep an eye on. Stops has to be below this area. So that's only for scalp traders, for traders on the intraday charts. For them, these lows are vital area. So that being said, bears do nothing, just wait for a pullback, whether this ABCD pattern will be realized or not. If yes, if it will be realized, we are considering this area for a possible taking the short position. For the bulls, nothing to do, except if you're trading only intraday charts. For intraday performance for scalp traders, you could try to make a bet on this ABCD pattern with the 1850 target, trying to use one of these levels for entry, and your invalidation point right there is 1580.